During the record-breaking snowstorm in Buffalo, New York, in 2022, over 80 inches of snow fell in just a few days. While conventional snowplows managed main roads, it was bulldozers that were called in to deal with the massive snowdrifts burying side streets and alleyways. Bulldozers were instrumental in digging out stranded vehicles, freeing up emergency routes, and helping restore access to utility crews and supplies. Similarly, during the Siberian blizzards that frequently hit the Russian Far East, bulldozers are one of the first machines deployed to maintain supply routes and keep mining operations running despite feet of snow and sub-zero temperatures. Environmental and safety considerations.